Hello everyone, welcome back to the Digital Tutors. In today's video, we are taking our Canva skills to the next level. In our last tutorial, we learned how to create a landing page. We are building on that knowledge to create a full multi-page website. We are designing a website for a restaurant. So go to the website and search for templates and select one that suits your theme. Here, I choose this one. Now that you know how to customize templates and bring your ideas to life in Canva, I won't be making any changes to the design. Let's move forward. We have a total of 5 pages here. First, let's add titles to each page. To do this, go to Add Notes and add the title for each page here. Alternatively, switch to Grid View, where you can easily add titles to each page. These titles help with navigation within the website. When you publish your website, you'll see an option called Include Navigation Menu. Make sure to keep it checked. This will automatically add a menu bar at the top, just like you see on most websites. On the home page, we have an Order Now button. You can link this button directly to your contact page, allowing customers to quickly get in touch. To do this, right-click on the button, select Link, and then choose the contact page. Now, when someone clicks Order Now, they will be redirected to the contact page, where you can display your contact detail and take orders. In the same way, you can add detailed pages for specific menu items. For example, if you want to showcase all the burgers you offer, simply add a new page, name it Burgers, and include all the details with price. Then, right-click on the relevant button, select Link, and choose the Burgers page. You can do the same for chicken dishes, drinks, or even a full-page menu. I am sure you now understand how to add pages and link buttons to them. And in the end, once you did your website design work complete, click Publish Website. Make sure you keep Include Navigation option checked. Edit your web URL and publish website. I know you're excited to create your own website with these steps. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, happy designing. See you around.